Hi everybody, it's Amy. So hopefully you have already seen video 1 and 2 where I actually have started renovating the townhouse, and I'm spending absolutely no money, only using the items that I already currently have. And I'm using paint that I had around the house. I mixed several different paints to make one paint color. It is super dark in here. It is nighttime. I'm doing this true to time, like as it's happening. I'm not waiting for the perfect lighting. I'm not waiting for the perfect day. I have a temporary couch coming tomorrow that I ordered that's actually gonna, it's like a futon. It's gonna end up going upstairs long term, but short term it's going to sit right here. This is where I used to have my dining room table, and I had that little shelving thing there with a bunch of my personal items, and I just started putting some pictures in that frame. I want to finish that up, but I've got to paint this wall tonight because look at the tape. Yeah, that's how ghetto I am. I'm ghetto fabulous. I'm just showing you the real deal, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. So that is the end table, or the coffee table, excuse me, that matches my bookshelves. And those are the pillows. Some of the pillows that were on the couch, so I put them there to use them when the other couch comes to kind of break up. It's a dark gray couch. But I really don't sit and watch TV at all, ever. I do have, and I'm not going to show you this part of the room yet because I am doing this in sections, but I have a fireplace. The exact opposite of the wall you're looking at now, across the wall, is like a half wall into the kitchen. I do have a fake fireplace there that I just painted the color of the walls, actually. But that's going to be in a different video. So, I think I'm going to put the TV on top of the fake fireplace. So, I do like to show you what it looks like before. And now it's like the worst part ever. It's the painting. I don't like the painting, but it has to be done. And that coffee mocha color looks so dirty no matter what I do compared to the gray. So I didn't think I would be able to use gray and browns and blacks and browns, but it's working. It's working so far. I'm liking it. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, I got the futon in the house. Yep, I did. I'm hot. I'm a little cranky. But I did it. I did it. Cut the box, just did the best I could. Got it down the stairs, got it in the house because I'm impatient. I can't wait for anybody to come home. So, I'm like, okay, I'm actually going to follow directions because I want it to be nice. I want it to last, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so step 1, you flip it over. It's packed in super tight to the box, right? Which is smart on their part, but not so smart on the weight of it all. Anyway, it's not evenly distributed in the box, so it's a pain to get it. I just dragged that thing. I'm not even going to lie to you people. I just took it by the corner of the box, cut it open, made a handle, and dragged it. Dragged it. Anyway, I open the bottom. I take the side pieces out. I'm like, oh, I'm so going to do this the right way. It's a little skinny book. We got this. Take out the washers, take out the bolts. I actually read which ones I need because there's a couple. I'm like, okay, so I flip the couch over to the cushions, side down, right? So easy. Then it says, you know, line up the holes with the sides, right? And then I'm just going to literally Allen wrench these in. Now it's flat on the floor, mind you. Let me show you something. Sorry if there's going to be any shadow. So this is inside the couch. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. See that? See where the screws are? This is this on the ground. So I have it on the ground, right? Look where the holes are. Look where the holes are. So what am I supposed to do? How am I going to lift this thing up? Am I supposed to lift it up and screw the things in at the same time? Like, who thought of this design? I'm supposed to keep this elevated off the ground somehow and then line up the screws. I am baffled right now. This thing may get legs and no arms. I'm just saying. I'm going to hang these bird pictures back up, right? Guys. These were dumpster dive finds. I have 3 of them, $50 a piece, $150 in the dumpster. I actually even like this side of it. I gotta dust off the cobwebs and get it back on the wall. Okay, everybody, so this is what I got done today. I think I did a lot today. It felt good. I am ready to be done for the day. So I will tell you guys, this is not a zero budget video like the first two because the couch was purchased for $99.99 from Target.com. I went through Ebates first. I got back some money from Ebates for purchasing through them, and I got it shipped free to my house. I used my Target Red Card and got an additional 5% off. So I saved a lot of money on this couch, and originally was going to go upstairs in my daughter's bedroom as a futon, and then she could lay it down as a bed. But honestly, it's much too hard to be a bed. And if it's perfectly in this spot, perfectly. So if you saw my previous video, I actually had these candle holders on my table that I moved. If you haven't seen the first and second videos, definitely the best thing to do is watch from the beginning so you can understand how this is all transformed. But I will show you the whole thing another day. Definitely not in the next couple of days, but soon. So those candle holders were on the table, but I really like them a lot better here because it kind of ties all the colors in together. So candle holders, as I stated in a previous video, were Goodwill. They were gold. I painted them. This was a while ago. The only new thing in this living area is the couch. Even if I say this is from here, it means I've had it for a long time. I've got it in a previous video. Nothing super recent. And a lot of stuff I got dumpster diving. So this table I've had for a really long time. Over 2 years. I got it when I first started my channel. I think it might be even in my banner. That's how old it is, the banner for YouTube. So I have the table, and then I have this, it's like an old toolbox that I got at a tag sale. A lady gave it to me for free when I bought something else. And then I just put the pine cones I collect and like cinnamon sticks in there. It just smells really good. So in my previous video, you guys saw the art cart that I did right there. I put these little frames that I found from dumpster diving on the wall. I gotta say, it looks so different on camera than things do in person, but I don't know, maybe it's just me. So I just put those there just to break up the wall a little bit, but I don't want to put any more pictures or any more greenery. I really wanted to keep it kind of simple and a lot cleaner because I felt like before it was super cluttered. So I took 2 out of the 3 bird pictures that I had over in the other space that you guys saw in the second video, and I just put 2 here. I didn't want to put 3, again, trying to declutter. I'll use the other one, I think, somewhere else in the house. I'll probably show you that later. And then that little bird cage I got at Michael's so long ago. It was like a super clearance of like 80% or something. But I always had it, never knew where I was going to put it. I put it there. And then the pillows were from the previous couch. Now, normally I would go out and buy pillows, but no. I know the couch is dark gray, but I think that the pillows are adding a little bit of color to the couch. I'm not usually a mix and matcher. So all this color that's happening is so rare for me, but I think that's good. I think it's a good thing. So I think they go well with the couch, and they bring in kind of the browns from the other areas in the house and the blues. So yeah, that's that. And then you guys remember, it's last year, we were at TJ Maxx on a live stream on this channel, and I found this end table, and it was only $10. Hold on, I just ripped the tag off today. Okay, so we were on a live stream, and I was like, should I get it? Should I get it? I love it. I really like earth tone and metals, and this was exactly that. So it was originally $50. It was marked all the way down to $10. I never had a place to put it because my sectional couch was just too big. It was too big and too bulky. So I thought this was a really, really good deal. Now, this little thing is not the most attractive, but again, I didn't want to buy anything. I didn't leave my house for 3 days. I haven't bought a thing. I have storage in there that I really do need. So I left it there. I just put a little thing there till I find something else on top. The lamp I had, I'd like a different lamp, but for now it's perfectly fine. The 2 little birdies I got from Michael's so long ago, just like I did the little succulent. Let me just turn this way so you can see. I had this ladder picture thing. I turned one picture over because it's a recent picture of my daughter I don't want. I know, it's so silly to have to do that, but I have to. And that car, that's her driving the car for the first time ever. It was, 4 years ago. And I don't have that car anymore, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, and that's her with all her hair. She had so much hair as a baby. So anyway, I had that ladder thing. I got it from Michael's. And I think it balances out the frames that I found dumpster diving. Right? It adds a little bit of the same kind of decor on both sides, I think. So that's good. And a little bit of the metal. I have a picture I want to put up there. I'm having someone paint the ceiling, so don't make a comment about the paint on the ceiling. It's not perfect. I know that, but I have that picture. I got it at the Dollar Tree, and I got to find it because my house is a little messy right now. And then that's where I decided to put the birds, and I think they're pretty chill there. I like putting them near the screen door because they really like that door open. And then I just need that storage. That bird cage I actually found dumpster diving. And to be honest, guys, it has a really big crack in it. But I have this ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I think I'm going to layer it like a skirt around the bottom and cover it up. Or I'm going to use that wide ribbon I have there. Oh, that's from Michael's. And the flowers are from dumpster diving. So I think, what do you guys think is the best glue to use, actually, to cover that up? So what will adhere the ribbon to the plastic, I guess is what I'm trying to say. This little dresser thing has a bunch of craft storage in it, so I'm going to keep that there. It's free. It was free, so it's got a little extra paint on the side because I nicked it, so the paint's wet. That's why it looks a little bit of a different color. I absolutely love this couch. And it's so funny because it was like a settled kind of thing. I settled because it was $100, and I was like, if I buy her a new bed upstairs, it's going to be so expensive, mattress, and so I'm going to get her this. But eventually I do have to get her a new bed. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with hers now. I just wanted to get something smaller that she could actually put up as a couch or put down as a bed. But obviously that's not going to work because these are way too hard. But anyway, I'm loving it. I am loving it, and I tied it in down here. So eventually I'll do a whole thing, but I need to start organizing and decluttering a little more first before I go any further, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And you guys have been great through this whole thing, so thanks. Thanks. Bye, guys.